Well, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name's Alfax and Yabuto. As you can see, today we are on the field recording the Wazalendo FC as they are playing a very nice soccer game. Whenever you come in the United States of America, you won't find many diverse people playing soccer games like these on random fields. You might call them playing fields, but today we are here recording the Wazalendo FC. As you can see, there's many people that you can spot playing the game of soccer. The game is beginning shortly. It's going to be a very, very tight match. It's the Wazalendo FC playing here in Arlington, Texas. Today on Abagusi Global Radio, we are here to watch a very public viewing of a very live soccer match. It is against the Wazalendo FC versus the Republic. Today I have a very, very important guest with me, one of the players for the Wazalendo FC. For our English listeners, we're sorry for this problem, but we're going to watch a very live soccer match. It's going to be between the Wazalendo FC versus the Republic. So Wazalendo ni wagani? Kwa sababu tunasema Wazalendo FC na tena kuna Republic. Wazalendo ni wagani hapa?
Okay, Wazalendo ni timu yote. So tukisema Wazalendo timu yote, so nasema kati ya timu moja, lakini timu imekuwa separated, okay? So nile tu njia kupimana nguvu, unaona? Lakini sasa Wazalendo ni timu yenye wanacheza kivyao na sisi wanacheza kivye, lakini timu moja in short. Yeah.
But hiyo jina inamaanisha nini, Wazalendo?
Wazalendo hii jina inamaanisha kuwa wale watu wa nguvu, yani wasema Wazalendo wale watu wenye yani ile jina ndio sema Wazalendo ni watu wako kimoja, no? Watu kimoja, yeah.
So like hii team nye mnaita Wazalendo inawaleta aje pamoja?
Okay, Wazalendo hapa unaweza pata kuna every tribe, unaweza pata kuna kabila yote, unaweza pata kuna Mjaka and tribe, so we bring everybody. We can't choose such guy like Kikuyu, Kamba, all and like Mexico guy, yeah? We can't atuletangi watu tunasemanga different places, tunataka kitu moja, no? So we come together, tunajikimu pamoja, no? Hata kuchagua ati sasa tuweke kiwango ati huyu ni wetu, so hapana, we come together, okay? Tunakuja kimoja, okay? So kama sisi hawa sisi watu wametoka mtaani, ni vijana wametoka mtaani, wanajua ndimu ni gani, so wanaelewa, no? So ndio tunasemanga ball ni njia moja ya kuleta umoja ya watu wamoja. That's it, yeah.
As I said earlier, it's going to be a match between the Republic versus the Wazalendo. Yeah. Wazalendo have told us who they are and why they play the game and how it unites them together. So who are the Republic?
Republic. So it's still one branch under Wazalendo FC. So we have the nation and we have the Republic. So since we have many players in the team, we decided to divide into two so that we can have derbies and play here, but still it's one team. So the Republic, we dress in yellow colors as you see with black socks.
Yeah.
And yeah, the opponents put on a blue shirt and black shorts. The Republic, yeah, it's a good team. We play possession-based soccer, and we just love enjoying our game with the ball and scoring many goals.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so who are the different people that are on the Republic team? Because you said that you guys were a team before and you guys divided because there was many people on that team.
Yeah.
So who does it bring together as the Republic? Because the Wazalendo says it brings people that have different backgrounds. So
yeah.
Who does it bring together here in the Republic?
Yeah, it's still the same. We come together as young people around the community. We want to lift each other, uplift each other in aspects of life. And when we come here to play soccer, we want to enjoy and to feel that sense of community, of being together. And through soccer, it has really helped many young boys, be focused, because this is a beautiful game.
Yeah.
And I believe it prevents a lot of destruction for young people like us. So it does bring people together, but we are still one team as Wazalendo FC. But we have subdivided into Wazalendo Nation and Wazalendo Republic so that we can compete against each other, but still under one team.
Okay, Where do you guys see the Wazalendo? Do you think you guys are going to make it worldwide? Because we are diverse people as Kenyans playing in the United States of America. Do you guys see you guys making it into a bigger club? Like, for example, Manchester United, they have their own club. Do you guys see that coming soon? In the next 10 years, for example?
I believe so. I believe so. The foundations have been set for this club to grow, to have its wings spread all around. And as you said, that we are, diaspora, and this is looking forward to bring many people together. But still, we are spreading our wings so that the club can grow, and we have greater goals, and we believe when the process kicks off, everything else will bring itself into place.
Thank you very much for for being here with us today.
Yes.
I hope you guys have a really good game today, guys. The Republic and the Wazalendo.
You're going to watch, and I believe you're going to enjoy the game.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.